welcome back to our channel. Today we have an interesting topic to discuss that many aspiring freelancers often ponder. Do I need a degree for freelancing? So, do you need a degree for freelancing? I received this question from one of the subscribers. And if you are considering a career in freelancing or if you're curious about the requirements, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore whether having a degree is necessary to succeed as a freelancer. So let's get started. Before we dive into the answer, let's understand what freelancing is. Freelancing is a way of working independently, offering services to clients on a project by project basis. It allows individuals to be their own boss, choose their own clients, and work on projects that align with their skills and interests. I'm working as a freelancer, and the one thing I love about freelancing is you are your own boss and you get to choose your own clients. You don't have to work on projects that don't really align with your skills and your interests. So that's a big thing. Traditional job settings, degrees are often seen as measure of one's expertise and competence. They can act as proof of your knowledge and commitment to a specific field, but freelancing is a different ballgame altogether, where clients are often more interested in the quality of work and your ability to deliver results. So they are not really interested in your marks or your degrees. Now, when it comes to freelancing, there are several factors to consider regarding the need for a degree. Let's look at those factors one by one. The number one factor is industry specific requirements. Certain professions may require degree as a standard qualification even in freelancing. For example, if you want to be a freelance doctor or lawyer, a relevant degree is essential due to legal and ethical considerations. So you have to research your chosen field to understand if a degree is mandatory. Another factor to consider is experience and portfolio. In freelancing, your portfolio and practical experience often hold more weight than a degree. Clients are interested in seeing the quality of your past work and the results you have achieved for previous clients. Building a strong portfolio can help you stand out even without a degree. Another factor to consider is self learning and continuous improvement. Freelancing often demands continuous learning and adapting to new technologies and trends. While a degree provides a structured education, it's important to remember that knowledge can also be gained through self learning, through online courses, workshops, and practical experience. And you cannot beat practical experience, to be very honest. Another factor to consider is networking and referrals. In the freelancing world, now, referrals and networking play a vital role. So it's very important, building relationships with clients and colleagues and industry professionals can actually lead to more opportunities and recommendations. Networking effectively can compensate for the lack of a degree. So if you don't have a degree but you have a good network, if you have good referrals, you can consider freelancing. Now, there are countless successful freelancers who have, achieved great heights without a degree. Now, let's look at a few examples. What are those successful careers, successful, freelancing jobs where you may not need degree? The number one job is graphic design. So many talented graphic designers have established successful freelance careers by showcasing their creative abilities through their portfolios and gaining clients solely based on their talent and reputation. They don't have degree, but still they get clients. Why? Because of their work. Another job is content writing. So, writing and content creation, that's a big one. Numerous freelance writers have built thriving careers through their exceptional writing skills, developing their expertise through practice, and providing value to their clients. Another one is web development. In the tech industry, freelancers with expertise in web development and programming often acquire projects based on their demonstrated skills, extensive coding knowledge, and real world experience. So, if you know coding, if you have those kind of skills, you can easily be a web developer, freelance web developer. So, the question remains, do you need a degree for freelancing? Well, while having a degree can provide certain advantages in specific fields, it's not a definitive requirement in most cases. What matters, again, the most in freelancing is your skills, your experience, your portfolio, and your ability to deliver excellent results to your clients. Remember, continuous learning, networking, and building a strong reputation are essential ingredients for success as a freelancer. I hope this video clarified the question for you and provided valuable insights into the world of freelancing. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you are new here for more informative videos. Keep posting your comments, keep posting your questions, keep sending your questions, keep them coming. I love answering them. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like me to cover, please leave them in the comments below, or again, you can send me an email. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.